Hi everyone, my name is Caleb Stinson and I am with JCPJ Sustainability Consultants. First, I wanted to start off today by introducing you to our most recent project, which is the Maryville stream restoration. But before we get started into the technical content, I'd first like to introduce the members of our senior design team. The JCPJ senior design team consisted of Jacob Chisholm, myself, Parker Smithson, and Jake Ward. Our project site was located in Maryville, Tennessee, and it is an intermittent stream, which means that it only sees flows during rain events and has pools of standing water most of the time. The stream is situated between Calhoun's Maryville and the highway, as can be seen here. And as mentioned previously, it is an intermittent stream. JCPJ decided to utilize a regenerative stormwater conveyance design approach for this project, as Rsc designs have been proven to be useful for remediating sites with large amounts of stormwater runoff. This design provided to be extremely useful to our client Dennis Gregg, as it not only improved the urban infrastructure of the stream, but also remediated the ecological functions of the stream as well. This is also one area of difficulty our team encountered, specifically because stream restorations are a niche area of civil engineering, which require a specialized skill set. So this required our team to communicate heavily with stream restoration expert Dr. Schwartz, who's also a faculty member here at the University of Tennessee.
So like Caleb said, JCPJ chose the Rsc Design, and really the Rsc Design was chosen for its emphasis on erosion control as well as ecological restoration. The design itself was an iterative process of system sizing and dimensioning, truly based on three efforts: geological site conditions, the hydrological conditions, and hydraulic analysis. We also provided as a team a post-environmental enhancement prediction of what the Rsc design would do, as well as construction and maintenance tasks to implement for the client, Dennis Gregg, to utilize. And we received help throughout this whole process from two of our technical mentors, Dr. Patrick McMahon and Dale James.
My name is Parker Smithson, and during our time working on our senior design project, we were able to obtain a sense of what it's like to work on a multidisciplinary design team. Able to further my understanding of standard water sampling procedures, as well as my understanding of standard government regulations concerning stream restoration. These two processes have helped develop my passion for environmental engineering.
Senior design has really been a big help and great learning experience for our team. We had the opportunity to work with real clients and actual companies on a project that we got to design ourselves, and you can't ask for much more than that. This class is the closest that you can get to a real-world engineering work, and it has helped us prepare for life after graduation. For any future students, we encourage you to use this class to expand your knowledge, learn from the professionals, and make the most of this process, because it does not get much better than this. Go Vols!